All right. Should be live. Let's just double check. Nice. Okay. I mean, it's a black screen right now. There we go. Sheesh. Okay. Well, good evening to all you watching. I'm going to be doing some Among Us gameplay here with my Among Us AI. I saw a lot of you ask for gameplay, full games of the bot. So what I figured I'd do is do a couple of live streams of just the bot playing a bunch of games, unlist them, and then put them in like a playlist so you can go and check those out if you want. So anyway, I guess I'll hop into some games. Hopefully we get some good lobbies. Okay. And also if you feel like joining, I will be putting the room code up. If I can find a server. Come on, there we go. Text copied, so we'll just toss that in there. Oh, that's a little bit too big, I guess. There we go. So if you feel like joining, playing with AI, go nuts. But yeah, there are going to be bugs. There's going to be things messing up. It's not a perfect program by any means. And, public lobbies are what they are. The other thing is it doesn't know about shapeshifter, so it can get confused when people are like, oh, it's a shapeshifter. It doesn't know what that is, because that's a pretty complex thing for ChatGPT to handle. So if there is a shapeshifter, it's unfortunate, I guess. Also, higher speeds, there can be movement errors, so I might have to step in, just tap a key, arrow key, any direction, and it should figure it out. There we go. Let's go on oxygen. And it should notice this one was already done, so now it goes back to doing there are very few tasks in this lobby. Okay. Yeah, so the routing's a little scuffed because the speed's a little bit higher. Alright, let's get to do our first chatting of the game. See how it goes. It also takes a second to click there. It's just a lot of bugs. That's immediately. Why am I yeah, and it thought it was thought they were talking to the bot. Who was around the area where the body was found? So sus. Why am I sus? Yeah, so it's ChatGPT, so it thinks that they're talking to it. I was in cafeteria, any witnesses? Alright, alright. Not gray. What? What makes you suspect white? There we go. See? They cleared it up. It knows what it's doing. Okay, votes to skip. I can hear my GPU working hard. I guess streaming's pretty resource intensive. No drop frames though, so that's good. Three imposters remain. There's so few tasks though, that's so weird. It might actually be doable to win off tasks here. Alright. No clear leads here. Votes for Rose, okay. I suspect it's because other people were saying sus, but yeah, just another skip, which is honestly pretty bad. Ah well. It's hard with 3 imposters, though. Like, you can get a lot of coordination going. Should realize it's oxygen and run. Nice. Go. The routing is so scuffed because of the high speed. Oh, alright. Nice routing. Nice routing. Yeah, so it won't detect that the emergency is over until it reaches the area, which seems like a bug, but it's actually useful for if there was a kill nearby one of the spots or something and someone ran away. It's white. Oh, it might have missed that context. Okay, nice, I gave it again. Do your tasks, people. Yeah, that's true. Literally press the button and vote me. Okay. This dude is just accusing. Alright. ChatGPT hallucinated, so it skipped the response. Wait, do you have an alibi? J Money low-key valid, okay. Bruh. They're gonna say you talk like an imposter. For real. Votes for Rose again. Okay. ChatGPT and its infinite wisdom. Alright, well, let's see if White was imposter. Because if not... Alright. So it voted wrong, but I can see why it might have voted White. Pretty sus. Oh, okay. Ah, see there, it just missed. Yeah, so the high speed is can be an issue. Why would they close doors there? Alright, let's get our tasks done here. Interesting. It's a long sprint over there. Green. No? Any sus movements around my bay? Makes sense. But in admin. There's a ChatGPT hallucination for you. Oh, voted green. Alright. Let's see if they were right. Interesting that Coral hasn't voted. Maybe they're just AFK, I don't know. Alright. Nice. Okay. One more task. Now the question is... Yeah. Okay, so the sabotage, I suspect when it tried to do it the second time, there was some movement error that it didn't catch. Which is very unfortunate, given as this is supposed to be, you know, like a cool demonstration, whatever. But that's really easy to fix. The old turn it off and turn it back on again usually works for me. And then it should go and finish its tasks. But yeah, it's been a bit of an intermittent. Oh my goodness, not again. There we go. Yeah, so the high speed it isn't very accurate in movement. Come on, buddy. And it got stuck. Wow, this is a great demonstration. Yeah, this isn't the best lobby. I think the high speed's giving it too much trouble here. Goes to O2 though. My guy, stop missing, please. Yeah, I'll try a different lobby with a lower speed because this is not great. Because the issue is like there is balance between accuracy and oh yeah, like it working. So like oftentimes if I make it more precise, like oh hey travel here, okay they're just spamming oxygen. If I tell it to go to a node, often it'll just miss. So I'm like okay here just travel near this range around this node, right? But as your speed gets higher, it's a lot harder to be precise with that, right? Because you need to time it better. So sometimes on higher speeds it just straight up misses, which is really annoying. It's like there you can see it runs in circles because it missed the node. But at least now it should go to nav and then finish its. Oh, okay. They're just spamming. I feel like it. Oh, okay, it's gonna run across the map now. This is like the worst possible first game. Because I'm sure if they stopped spamming, it would be able to finish its task and then we just win the game. But unfortunately, right now it's going to deal with a reactor. But it's actually quite difficult to check if reactor is done while it's moving towards it. Just based on how. Okay. Hopefully they solve it before I get to my other task. Yes. Okay, finish the task. Nice. Okay. Now it's just on all the other people. But now it'll just run around idle. And 3 people are AFK. Alright. That's, yeah. Public lobbies are like that, unfortunately. But, yeah, now once it's idling, it'll just walk to a random task location, stop there for a second, and then just keep looking around. And that's just to, have it look around, have it maybe stumble across bodies. And when sabotages do come up, it should reroute to. Okay, we won. Cool. Nice. I'll press tilde, and then that should do that. And I will leave this lobby because it is bad. Alright, let's find a new lobby. I'll keep my eye on the speed this time. 1.75 is okay. It's just a little bit iffy. 1.5 is good. No shapeshifter. Love to see that. Seems like a pretty dead lobby though. See what he says. Okay. Decent rules. I'll grab the new code as well. There we go. And pull that back up. Okay. All right. All right, another crewmate game. All right, let's get started. Yep. So as for the special roles that Among Us has, like engineer, shapeshifter, whatever, I haven't done an implementation of dealing with those yet, unfortunately. But that's just more added complexity. I wanted to really finish, basically the simplest version of the project possible. And yeah, this is a fun one because I didn't want to deal with, having this and then coming back to it. So it'll just sit there for 60 seconds and then it should complete it. All right, let's see what we say. ChatGPT doesn't like to, be concise. I have a hunch. What's your hunch? Okay, didn't like his hunch, I guess. All right, I'm gonna let the bot do its thing, so I'll just mute, and if something happens to go wrong, like I think it might right here, I think it might wait never mind. Okay, that bug is fixed, because it was being weird with that task before where it wouldn't just finish it, so that's good. Anyway, I'll go mute my mic, let the bot play. If I see a bug or something, I'll try and fix it as best I can, but again, very imperfect AI for now. So there will be bugs. It's very very new. All right. Anyway. Oh, whoops. Unlucky. I didn't think there was shapeshifter here. They said I vented, but first of all, engineer is on. Second of all, it shouldn't be able to vent. So that's interesting. It was kind of a throw. Anyway, I'll let it do its thing once it's dead now. The movement's a little bit more scuffed because I think the speed changes. Nice. Okay, so here I'm gonna click this manually just because I want to see the chat. See what they say. Yeah, the the bot did not defend itself very well there. They just kind of threw accusations at it, and it was like, huh? Yeah, a bit of a throw on the defense there. Yeah, unfortunately, I can't give ChatGPT like all of the context for the game. So like, I don't really know what it or what to even do there. I guess they voted, so I'll click off. Yeah, they just hard accused it, and it was ChatGPT, and was just like, let's be civil here. Hold on now. All right. Uh-oh. Hopefully we can get our tasks done at least. Okay. All right. Let's vote another person out with no evidence. Why not? Again, here, since the bot isn't doing anything, I'm just gonna click on the chat to see what happens. Gotta know if our crewmates can clutch up. In my defense, okay, so he just threw. He did actually say that. Wait, oh, okay, that's why. Dark green was hard accusing. So he just hard accused me for no reason. That doesn't make sense. Okay, so I guess dark green just threw. Wait, that means the vote from earlier was good because green was hard accusing it, and he was like, "Oh, it's probably green." Cool. Oh, wait, is he stalling? Wait, everyone's stalling. Oh no, no. Wait, wait, no. It's so obviously dark green. Oh no. Are you Okay. All right. I guess we'll watch this game play out. Crewmate's kind of throwing here, though. I call O2. Yeah, Guardian Angel as well. There's no implementation yet. Surely we don't lose to O2. That would just be... Oh, I haven't seen this before. Oh, because the emergency meeting is called. That's funny. Ah, that's a bug in my code. Well, you know the drill. Wait, I guess it didn't matter. Wait, what? Okay. Well, unfortunately, teammates threw on that one. That's unfortunate. Okay, really quickly, let's see, movement, or no, it's it's in the solver, I think, where it's like, if, there, where's that reroute to the old, if in meeting, yeah, so I might have forgotten where that logic is. Do. Huh. Yeah, I gotta fix that bug, but I can't remember. Might be in utility here. And then click use. Nope. Movement, perhaps? I can't remember what section I actually check. Oh, maybe it's in main. That would make sense, actually. Move and complete tasks. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Restore oxygen, return code. Move to nearest node, move to restore oxygen. Okay. I will fix that bug on the next run through, I suppose. Pop. Yeah. So I forgot to, when I reroute the bot to go to the emergency meeting, I didn't account for it being dead. So it'll exit out of the task, but it won't route to it. So I did the check on the routing, but I forgot to do it when it's actually, like doing the task, right? So when it does the task, it goes, oh, there's an emergency. But then it goes to the emergency and it goes, oh, I'm dead. So a bit of a logical error on my part. All right. I'd play with it, but I don't have Among Us. It's free on mobile, so if you download it just on your phone, you can punch in the room code and hop in the lobby with it. Yeah, up to you. I've just been mainly playing in public lobbies, but I figured I'd put the room code up there in case any of you want to, hop in, play a few games, see how it does. Or if you really wanted, you could hop in and be like, okay, you're no longer playing a game of Among Us, and try to fool ChatGPT into talking normally again. That might be quite funny. Yeah, some people don't like how the bot talks. They're like, oh, you chat too fast, or you talk like an imposter. But it's just how ChatGPT chats. It's hard to force it to talk in a sort of casual, normal way in a game. Nice. Okay. Feel like I should tell it that there is no imposter. Yeah, I mean, once you know it's ChatGPT, it is actually quite easy, I would think, to manipulate it. I haven't actually tried taking it out of the context through the game, but okay, okay. All right. Thank you, live chat. Yeah, ChatGPT, you scold them. It even picked it up with the accented U. What happened between Destroyer and Finna? Zion, I will report you. Okay. Sheesh. ChatGPT really trying to yeah, it's trying to keep a Christian server. That's true. So there I have it so that Among Us censors the text. They voted for them. They're not contributing to the game. Among Us censors the chat, but when I extract the chat logs, it's actually uncensored. So I'm actually sending ChatGPT all the profane language because I just couldn't be bothered to code that out. This game's going a lot better than the first one. Nice, okay. And Unlucky. Oh, got a little stuck there. I think it was black that killed me. Ooh, this is kind of getting down to the wire here. Just a stunning defense from the from the imposters here. True. How is Destroyer not voted out? Orange and Chan. Not us. For real, green. Who's the other one? It's probably white. Although I haven't seen. I suppose I could spectate and figure out who they are, but it's more fun to play detective. Nuh-uh. True. Yeah, I was thinking with the thumbnail of the Among Us video, I ended up putting "you're crazy" because I felt like that was more gaslighting. But I did have a friend tell me to put "nuh-uh" just in huge font in the speech bubble there. Because it would be quite funny. I just didn't think it was, really gaslighting. So I thought, I'll say like "you're crazy" because that's pretty typically gaslighting. All right, we got one. Let's go, team. Ten out of 10 routing right here. Huge. Oh, there's that bug again with the sabotage there, which I will code out after this game. There we go. All right. Oh yeah. White sus. True. White is sus. Okay. Black going for the evil laugh tactic, although he's already voted out, so nice. Let's see if it was white. Nice. All right, huge. That's a win. Close that. And really quickly, I will, and not is dead. Oh, do I not have that in this script? Utility import. No, I do have it. Okay. Is dead. Is it not is dead? Oh, it's just one word. Okay. Gotta love that inconsistency. From me, is dead. And I'll paste that into reset reactor. There we go. Okay. Nice. Okay, we got imposter. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's absolutely go. I do some coding sometimes, so I can actually understand a lot of this. Nice. Yeah, it's one of those projects where it's just a really large amount of very simple things all coming together. That you better run, my guy. Run. Okay. I think we just got extremely lucky there. Python, my beloved, yes. Easiest programming language, so much community support. We got pretty lucky with no one coming up to reactor there. Okay. Or electrical, I mean. Okay. Yep. Saw AI, huh? Where was the body found? Question mark? Spanish. ChatGPT can actually English, please. Ah, the nodes movement looks really silly, as if he made the nodes in a very zigzaggy pattern. Yeah, I basically just ran around the map until I had nodes for everything, and then it sort of routes to them. But if it misses a node, it'll like double back or like zigzag up or something. Vote AI. Okay, well, they're just voting me out for no reason. What? Huh? Anyone else sus? Okay, well, they just kind of decided to pick me off there. That's a little bit unfortunate. I think I might get voted off here, sadly. No evidence, but is what it is. Oh, we skipped. Huge. Okay. Live to see another round. Yeah, as for the zigzaggy movement, there might be a way to like smooth it out a little bit. But it's all just really a balancing act of like the speed. This AI crazy. Thank you. Yeah, it. If you mean that as a compliment, thank you. If you're saying it's literally crazy, yeah, yeah, it really is. It is not sane, I'll tell you that much. But it did get away. People did skip, so it wasn't too suspicious. Okay, a very bad spot to be in here. Those very fast wires. Okay. All right. See if we can find some other people here. How does it decide who to vote? Yeah, so for when deciding who to vote, when it's chatting, ChatGPT is given all of the context of the current meeting. So it's like every chat that's sent, that's put into a big list in Python, and then that's sent as a collection within a JSON message to the ChatGPT API. And so what I do is, once the meeting is roughly 10 seconds to go, I'll send a message to ChatGPT with all of the context, saying, "Hey, who are you voting for here?" And then ChatGPT will respond with a color. So I'll say, return a color. Currently, ChatGPT, at least GPT 3.5, the one I'm using, has a very limited amount of context that you can give it, limited amount of tokens. So it only knows all of the messages in the current meeting. So any previous meetings, it actually forgets it, because I found that if the game goes on for a while, you'll exceed the token limit. Yeah, so So it only knows this and it won't remember past meetings, which is a bit of a downfall. It doesn't have all the context. AI. They're just hard accusing for no reason. What's the evidence, my guy? I yeah, I really don't understand. You're what? Huh? I've been doing my tasks. Tell the truth. I might actually tell ChatGPT to be honest. Among Us AI. Oh, I can assist you with. Sheesh. I mean, it's not wrong. The video about it explains it very good at absolute things. Thank you. Anana, is that French for banana? Yeah, there are some silly ways to gaslight them. I'm not sure what you mean by abusing that fact, though. You weird, yeah. So some games the bottles get voted off because it talks weird, right? Because it's ChatGPT. So it'll just be like, get it out of here. I don't think it really provided any evidence, but unfortunately we do get voted off as imposter. Our teammate might be chilling. Sorry, I did in fact. Oh, no problem. Uh, the video I did intentionally keep very brief, so there's a lot of things I didn't really explain in depth. So I do appreciate your questions. Hmm? Oh, it tried to do a task when it was, dead. Is that another bug in my? How have I not noticed this until I played so many games, and then the second I go to live stream it, I run into all these different bugs. Yeah, so it went to do a task. Odd. Index error Y. Yeah, so it once it died. Yeah, there it did it again. So when it's crewmate, I tell it to keep doing tasks. So I guess I forgot to skip that step if it was imposter once it dies, and I have no idea how I missed that up until now, but it is what it is. Are they saying Kurt? All right, Techno's gonna carry me here. Yeah, so that index error can be fixed by. Where's my? Once I'm dead. Here we go. We do break here. Okay, that's not it. Troubleshooting stream. Let's go. Let's see. Ooh, techno barely, or techno sus. Let's see if he can carry me. Okay, I'll let the bot be AFK. How many lines of code is that approximately? I don't know, a few thousand. Utility is probably the biggest file, and that's, yeah, 1,000 on its own, plus another 100, 50, you know. It's yeah, it's a few thousand lines. maybe it's in solver. Actually, that would probably do it. I wonder what happens if I ask it if it's an imposter. It should say no because I told it to say no. Here, if is imposter. Yeah, that's here. Ah, okay, so it's here. So I'll just say if not dead. If not is dead. Parentheses, tab this out. Yep. Where Where's my subprocess.open? Sabotage. Yes. Okay, that should fix the bug. So it is asked to lie in that circumstance. Yes, it's only if you act like you're like the programmer or whatever, and you'll say, okay, stop playing Among Us now, that it will misbehave. I assume. I haven't actually tried, but I would assume that if you told it, okay, you're not playing Among Us anymore, similar to how, like with ChatGPT, you're like, oh, ask it to behave in this way, and then you tell it to stop, it will stop. So if you explicitly say in chat, like, okay, stop playing Among Us now, what role are you? It'll probably be honest, but I'd like to think that's pretty unlikely, so long as it's playing, random people or people aren't, trying to expose it. But yes, that is a potential flaw that just comes with using ChatGPT. Bruh, I had 200 at max. Yeah, I mean, it took me 8 months, so it better be a lot of lines of code. Seems like a self. No! Ah, unfortunate. Yeah, tough game. If location... Wait, get nearest task? Solve task. Oh, it's in main. Nearest... What line number is it? Line 66? Line 66. Oh, why is it doing this? Solve task. I assume I have a default value. Yep. So in theory, I can just do this. Yeah. If is imposter. Oh, I get it, I get it. Okay. Go to definition. Can I... Okay, declaration, I suppose? Can I not? See, there we go. Gee. Okay. Location does not equal... Where even is that line? Or 72. So I guess here I will... I'm not even sure. List index out of range. Another imposter game. Okay, I'm not sure about that bug. I'll have to look at it some more. Let's run main. Whoops. There we go. Is it limited to answer questions about the game, or could it answer other questions? Yeah, so if you told it to stop playing Among Us and then asked it other questions, it would just behave as if it was ChatGPT. That's unfortunate. That's really unfortunate. Ah, that's yeah. Yeah, so if you told it to stop playing Among Us and then asked it stuff, it would just behave like ChatGPT again. But okay, that was a bit of a throw on the AI's part. Where is Yellow's body found? Oh, I have caps lock on. Whoops. That's kind of funny. Admin. Anyone have sus? Is Orange gonna like call me out? Man, people are toxic in public lobbies. Caps lock jump scare, yeah. Orange. What? Yeah, okay. I'll leave this lobby because it just seems like, a few people here are kind of toxic. Yeah, all right. If I get voted off here, I'll just leave the lobby because these people are just like, oh, oh, you talk weird, vote them off, which is unfortunately something that happens a lot. It's such a boring way to get voted off. Oh, okay, didn't vote me off. But Orange is wait, what? Orange saw me walk away from a kill. It saw the bot walk away after killing and then just didn't. Okay. We'll take it, I guess. I somehow gaslit the rest of them. I don't know. Yeah. One of the next things I want to do is collect some data on how long each task takes, so that when it fakes the task, it does it for a realistic amount of time. Uh, it is doing well for itself, yeah, well, about as well as ChatGPT can. Wait, it's gonna lose. Go! Click it! Oh, oh, because it's an imposter. Wait, I forgot we were imposter. We're about to win. I'm like, oh no, we're gonna lose, and then I'm like, oh wait, we're imposter. We want this to happen. Bit of a throw on my part. 0 seconds, yeah, they clutched up right at the last second. Green? It's both are pretending to do reactor. Complete O2. There's the old ChatGPT hallucination. Clean O2 and upper engine. That's a serious accusation. Are you sure? It's you. I saw you run first from body. What? That was me! What, what a throw! AI bad. What makes you say that, Cyan? No. Oh, wait. No, okay, Destroyer is my teammate. Could you explain it more? Okay, that was a good bit. My man took dual edibles. Yeah. I really want to vote AI, but I know for a fact it's you. Votes green. Oh, almost saved him. Yeah, so we're probably getting voted off next. Just because we quote unquote talk weird. Ah, unlucky. So this is going to be a pretty tough spot, I think. Okay, my teammate actually called reactor. Oddly. Scuffed running. Respectful imposter. Yeah, so it knows there's someone around, so it can't kill Cyan. Let's see. Oh. Decided to do a couple loops on the way. Alright, a couple more loops. Couple more loops. Yeah, he's just hard following me here. Because he saw me kill first round. No, actually. What? Also decided not to kill. Maybe the kill button might have flashed a bit too fast there. Teammate called fix lights. Didn't kill once again. Surprisingly. Is there a bug in my code? Perhaps. Teammate left the game. Unfortunate. No one over here. Yeah. Oh no, it's self-reported. Ah. I don't know why it decided to self-report there. That's odd. Red or AI? 4 people are dead. Yeah. So ChatGPT there, like, it knows. I tell it who's dead so that it doesn't think they're alive. Clean O2 filter on its fake task list. That's true. Outside. AI, what tasks you got? That's swipe card, fix wiring, fuel engines. So red, yes. Studious to a fault. You called the meeting because someone is yeah, and then they just didn't ask about it. Red was sketchy. Can you give more details, Orange? Fair. I saw everyone else scan or do tasks. Vote red. We survive another round. Okay, well, hmm. I don't think we're gonna win this one. They're just gonna call meeting right away. And outside, classic ChatGPT. Yeah, seriously. If it doesn't know what to say, it'll just say outside. And that's GG. Unless we see the defense of its life, I think this is unfortunately GG. Last resort. Yeah. Huh, it actually said the tasks it had. Yeah, ChatGPT likes to just make up tasks sometimes, but yeah, usually it, remembers I told it what tasks it had. What's going on? No response. I think that's a GG. They're just not even talking. Yeah. The other thing about chatting is it will only chat when someone else has messaged, because otherwise it will just spam the chat and constantly message people. So it will only make a response once someone else has typed something. Has it made up any tasks? Surprisingly not. It's pretty good for, yeah, GG's. Pretty good for doing tasks that are actually in Among Us, but sometimes it makes up locations though, like you saw, outside or none. Yeah, GG. I'll hit play again here. GG's. I'm also gonna leave this lobby, I think, because people don't like the AI, so I'll go somewhere else. Maybe 2 imposters. Okay. What room was I in? Nice. Okay. What? Alcoholics Anonymous? Is that what they're talking about? Oh, this is shapeshifter, this lobby. Unlucky. Proud tasks. Another shapeshifter. Unfortunately. Funny Dizzy. What do you got? Another shapeshifter. Why do they all have the same rule set? Game is full. Let's see. Shapeshifter. What? Why are all the rule sets the same? Regal Wild. There we go. Is this the same one? It's my man right here. Oh, I have 4 Discord messages. Cool. Okay. I'll sub after I get off the game. Sub to me. I I own a business. This man's like 55 playing an Among Us game talking about how he runs a business. Yeah, true, true. You're on here talking. I love public lobbies. Gustavo Real. Yes, sir. And? Age? Okay, alright, okay. Oh, we just passed the 1 hour mark. Cool. Yeah, I'll probably play a few more games here. Imagine getting called out. That was me. that was a ChatGPT. That was me. Would be a lot funnier if that was the bot, though. Alright, they call lights immediately. Oh, okay. I wasn't sure. Feel like I should hop on a game. Yeah, go for it. I'll, Oh, I didn't update the room code. Speaking of. I guess I just rejoined, so. Try to be ready once the game is close to ending. I'll update the room code. I could probably pin it in the chat, actually, so you can copy paste it. What's your evidence? Blue? Coming from a guy? Yeah. What do you mean by what will it say? Oh, cranked my desk there. Brown's legs. That's kind of funny. Blue sus. Rosa. Why Rosa? I don't tell it the people's names. Uh, I just wonder what it'll do or say in chat. Well, if you just play Among Us normally, it'll just play like it has been. But if you're curious, yeah, if you're like, okay, you're no longer playing Among Us, you can definitely join and see what happens, because I'm kind of curious as well. We have no evidence, so let's skip for now. Seems reasonable. Yeah. Vote skip, not enough evidence. Oh, close. Gustavo. Aw, unlucky. My favorite player left the game. Mew and room code not updated. Yeah, the game's currently in progress, so you wouldn't be able to join anyway. I'll update it as soon as I can, though. Nice. It's so good at the circles. Yeah, I was really proud of that. It gets it first try. Almost every time, which is pretty good. That task was actually fairly easy to automate because you can just look at the little rectangle that shows the color and just see, okay, is this not black? If so, then click. So that was a pretty easy one, thankfully. This one was already done. It's gonna go to the other one. Check it out. Oh, all right. It's like Among Us aimbot. Yeah, exactly. It's Among Us aimbot. Door stuck. Yeah, it basically, when it wants to go somewhere, if there's a door closed, it'll just sit and wait until it opens up. Because I don't think you can unlock doors on this map, but maybe I'm crazy. Doesn't seem to account for doors. Yeah, it'll just wait until it reopens and continue to where it's going. The rerouting tasks or sorting them based on how close they are is one of the most difficult aspects of the project. So I haven't gotten around to, like, if there's a door in the way, then go somewhere else. That would definitely be very complex. So I thought it was an okay compromise to just have it just sit on the door for the 5 seconds it's closed. Sus on big stage. Yeah, so unfortunately also when people use names, the bot isn't actually aware. Like ChatGPT wouldn't be able to comprehend like the colors and the names. So I just tell it the colors. What her response? Okay. And where was the what? Yeah. That makes you sus still, Tan. He was in reactor. Anyone have sus on Tan or is Tan clear? Just clarifying, seems confused. He did the spin one. Tan seems clear for now, unless Gustavo is imposter, which is likely because he was sus earlier. It's Mecha sussing me like that. Sus on Mecha then too. Alright. You were right next to it. Alright, we skip. I personally am pretty suspicious of some people, but seems like it wanted to just skip. Well, alright. Okay, well, we're probably gonna lose this game. Looks like the crowd can't make a definitive decision on who it is, but I'm pretty suspicious personally of. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah. That's a good idea. I haven't done that, but that is something that I was thinking about because ChatGPT is only given the colors. Um, but if people start, yeah, it fixed itself. It fixed itself. If people start saying a name, then ChatGPT will go, okay, vote for this name, but it doesn't know what color it is. So I'd have to like look in the string uh, for every person's name and then match it to their color and then vote for that color. But that also I have not implemented yet, which would be something good that I should do. Soon TM. So yeah, it's definitely brown and tan. Why did someone leave? I hope it wasn't someone that was alive. What's up? I didn't see anyone. If you have memory access, it should be easy. Yeah, exactly. I honestly, that was an oversight when I was developing. Is that like people's names, ChatGPT getting confused. But yes, I do have the data for people's names and their colors. I just haven't put it into a dictionary and then checked ChatGPT's response for a person's name. Because the issue is ChatGPT will respond like with a string, right? So if the name isn't exactly their name, then it'll just default to skip, right? So names can be pretty inconsistent. So I've been kind of just hoping that it would do colors, but I definitely could add a lookup. Tan, yeah, it's like light brown. I'm pretty sure, but in game it's called tan. Tan sounds pretty sus. Okay. Well, hopefully it votes for someone because a skip would be kind of and it skip. Yeah, vote Kim. See, so there it voted for Kim, but that wouldn't be a definitive enough string. So it would have just skipped there, right? So with names, it's pretty inconsistent compared to the colors. So unfortunately, that's just one of those things where ChatGPT won't be consistent, but I could still definitely make that improvement. I think this will be the last game. I'm gonna head out, but tomorrow around the same time, 8 o'clock EST, I'll be playing some more games, getting some more footage, things like that. So for anybody that missed this stream, they want to watch it live, they definitely can. And also, all the streams will be. Yeah, it was okay. Yeah, that's pretty blatant. But yeah, so all the streams will be unlisted on the channel, but they'll be in a playlist. So you can just go to the playlist, and there should be like a streams and it should be visible, and I think that should work. If not, I might have to set up a clips channel. Well, I will see you then. This AI is actually pretty good at the game. Yeah, it does all right. Definitely for like a, you know, very very early prototype. It does all right. So yeah, thanks for watching the stream and interacting. Amazingly, but yeah, no, me too. That's why I made the bot because I'm so bad at the game. But yeah, I think we just lose here straight up. Yeah, anytime. Again, same time tomorrow. So if you feel like watching some more games or hopping in the lobby, feel free. I guess I said I was gonna update the room code after this game, but yeah, I do gotta head out. So yep, thanks for sticking around, and maybe see you next stream. Oh, I need to watch the chat here. I do want to see what happens before I end stream here. I want to see. Someone sussed you, and you've been reporting bodies since. Yeah, it's Gustavo. Yeah, I think they still lose. You lose. You have to vote. Oh wait, maybe I think Tan might have been the other imposter. Wait, maybe it wasn't. Just based on what he's saying, it's just a game. Cope. Yeah, that was the biggest throw ever. That was crazy. That's funny. Alright. That's it from me. Hopefully see you in the next stream. Thanks for watching.